Today just we have concluded the march, which was National Unity Day.
National Unity Day.
I have some students along with me who also took part in this march. What's your name?
My name is Mohibul Islam.
Which class do you study in?
I'm studying class 9.
Class 9.
Yes.
Why all the students come in this school today?
Today,
Why all these students come here?
today all student has come to school for
Celebrating
celebrating
the National Unity Day.
National Unity Day.
Okay, right. After whose name actually this day is celebrated? Do you know the name of this person?
I forgot.
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Vallabhbhai Patel.
His another name was Sardar.
Sardar.
Do you know Sardar? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. You should know all these things,
Yes.
right?
It is my first time.
First time.
Yes. For
Okay.
celebrating this day.
This day. Actually, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started this National Unity Day in the year 2014. And you know, there is a one big statue which is established at Gujarat. Okay,
Okay.
on the bank of river Narmada. So which is the tallest statue in the world? Do you know the height of this statue is
I don't know.
182 meter. So huge tall statue.
Like a tree.
Huh?
Like
Like tree. It is bigger than tree. Okay. So most of the visitors, not only from India, at the same time from European country also come to witness the tallest statue which is built in the bank of river Narmada. Okay, do you wish to go there when you become big?
I don't know.
Okay, right.
I'm not getting.
When you become big, what's your dream? What do you like to become?
I wanna become a teacher.
Teacher.
Yes.
But most of the person want to become a doctor or engineer. But why is your dream is to become a teacher?
I wanna be an English person.
English person,
Yes.
English teacher.
Yes.
That means you want to, do your master degree in English.
Yes.
Okay, you are so interested in this language. Okay, so definitely I will spend some quality time with you. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever you get time to come here to me,
Yes.
and we'll have a discussion. Right. Thank you. Bye bye.